Welcome back to Client Salutech. So, what is shapes? Just click on Insert menu in Microsoft Word and then drag your hover mouse over shapes, and now you can see that insert ready-made shapes such as circles and arrows. Why we use it? We use it to communicate visually any topic, any subject, object through visual methods. For this we use shapes. So click here on this arrow and you will see here are lots of shapes, block arrows, basic shapes, lines, and you can use it in your document, in educational works, in your assignment, professional works, to make it little easier for student or for reader to take the advantage of the shape to understand the topic that is written in, and for example this article. So for example, if we want to make a change here, and if we want to show online presence in a way that this paragraph communicate through shapes, so online presence, we will create something that help to uh, understand what we are sharing in this paragraph. So for example, let's see this, and I'm using this shape. You have to click and drag and you will be able to draw shapes. You can make it or change colors. So what we have done, we click on insert and then selected the rectangular shape. Now we can use another one, and now we are going to use arrow. You can change the color of line from here, outline. You can also double click on this and then format option open in your menu bar, and after that you can change color, and you can also use various style that is already created. So we are using this for a change, but we can also do it little more. Visit shape fill and then click on picture. After picture, how we want, we can insert picture here, because we are communicating this subject through shapes. So let's see, we are building online presence. So we are sharing here Google, or we can say search results. We need images related to search results like this, or we can also use Google, so search engine, so that people can understand what we are talking about. Select this and insert it in this shape. So now we can also increase size. For this you have to click on this bullet point or this point, move your mouse to this point and then drag and to the towards right, and similar here you can drag it to right. You can also remove this if you don't need it. So select the shape and then click on delete, and from here you can also rotate this image as you like it. So now you can see it. What is the use of shapes? I have written a separate article for all of these functions and features of Microsoft Word and their uses. I hope you will find that in the description, and you must read all of those points and you will be able to identify what are the use of these functions. So I shared with you a little example to share any subject through shapes. We can share any subject through shapes like this online presence. For this I have created so that it's easy to understand, and also it makes this document a little attractive for people to find out. It's interesting, and there are also many other options, such as if you click on shape, you have shape effects that you can use in your document. So whatever you use, everything is related to the subject. So we can also use various shapes and it's not important that we use lines like this. We can use this type of lines arrow as well, and we can use all types of the things in this as per the format options. So I hope you will understand this shape function and use it to communicate your subject visually and make it easier for a reader to understand the subject. So shapes is very effective option in illustrations and insert menu. Thank you very much.